The Department of Education says it's making progress on inoperable fire alarm systems at public schools across the state. During a Board of Education meeting this morning, the DOE said it has completed inventory of fire alarms for all 258 schools. As of April 1st, there are 22 schools with inoperable fire alarms. The DOE says while the numbers may not reflect progress, it has made improvements in certain areas. The department recently held a fire drill as part of a pilot program at Kapalama Elementary School with newly implemented technology.
So from a school perspective, what the students heard was almost virtually a fire alarm. We leveraged the bells and paging system that was installed there. And through software, we were able to have a device not on a wall, which is what was deficient, but a wearable device that could be carried by authorized personnel.
The DOE says it has procured 125 of the Safety Shield wearable devices. It plans on deploying the devices to Kainalu and Konawaina elementary schools next.